Hi everyone, welcome to JVN Testing Tutorials. We are starting Cybersecurity 90 Days Challenge. Yes, Cybersecurity 90 Days Challenge. So daily we'll share the cybersecurity classes evening 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. So in between this time only, daily Monday to Friday, evening 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. will share the cybersecurity classes. So actually this is not a free course. You have to pay the fee for this course. So what is the procedure to pay the fee? Simple. You have to like the video and you have to comment. So really who are really interested to learn cybersecurity 90 days challenge course, now only you can start paying the fee by doing like the video and comment. Cybersecurity 90 days challenge accepted. So from today only you start paying the fee by commenting cybersecurity 90 days challenge accepted. So daily you have to pay the fee by doing like and comment. Okay, thank you. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to YouTube channel and share to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.